Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you recover WhatsApp data from Google Drive. So there are some steps. So step 1 is access data recovery tool on Dr. Phone. Launch Wondershare Dr. Phone on your computer after downloading and installing it successfully. Continue to the toolbox data recovery tool to launch the specific process. Step 2 is select Android as the device type. Now step 3, proceed to recover Google Drive WhatsApp. Select the option of recover Google Drive data on the next screen. Step 4. Sign in with your account. Sign in with your Google Drive account by clicking the sign in button on the next screen. Now step 5 is proceed to recover WhatsApp data. After signing in successfully, proceed to select the recover WhatsApp data button. Step 6. Download a specific backup file. The platform will search for available Google Drive backups in the sign-in account. As it displays on the next screen, select the appropriate backup by clicking the download button. Step 7. Observe downloading of the WhatsApp backup file. The following screen shows the downloading process of the WhatsApp backup file until the data is downloading from Google Drive successfully. Step 8. Verify WhatsApp account. To get hold of your data, you will have to verify the WhatsApp account through proper verification. Follow the on-screen instruction to verify your WhatsApp account. Step 9. Parse WhatsApp backup. Once done, the downloaded WhatsApp data is parsed so that it can be displayed on the next screen. Step 10. Preview WhatsApp data. Preview the data on the next screen with all data categorized properly. Step 11. Recover WhatsApp data to computer. Select the data that you want to recover and click the recover button on the bottom right of the screen. Provide the location to recover the WhatsApp data and click export. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.